Thanks for tuning in. I'm Swiftlead forecaster Joseph Cooper, and kind of doing the severe weather update today. Quite a bit to talk about, and a pretty intense scenario we'll probably have unfolding here in the next few hours. Let's go on over current weather radar picture. We have showers extending all the way from the Carolinas back through Tennessee, Kentucky, and then back out towards the Midwest and the plains here. And you can see these showers and thunderstorms getting going all the way from Missouri all the way down through Oklahoma, Arkansas, and even Texas here. In fact, a new watch just came out over a portion of this, which we'll get to in a second. We also have snow and freezing rain on the north side of this storm, and that's going to go through and bring some snow all the way from northern Kansas all the way up through Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, northern Ohio, and up to the northeast here. But we're not really going to focus on that today. I think our main focus is on the severe weather, and you can see here moderate risk issued all the way from southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi, the Boot Hill, Missouri, and then down through the eastern portions really of Arkansas. Moderate risk here today as these storms move off and they kind of develop later on. 15% risk of tornadoes, some being significant down across that moderate risk area. Storm Prediction Center still forecasting the potential for large, long-track tornadoes here as we get later on into the day as this front starts to move east here, and we're watching that very, very closely. And so if you live in this 15% area, Memphis, down towards Little Rock, Stuttgart, anywhere in that area, you need to be very, very careful, even back into the 5% area here. Here's the tornado watch that just went up. This is going to cover southeastern Oklahoma, quite a bit of western, pretty much all of western Arkansas, and then northeastern Texas and northwestern Louisiana here. And you can see these storms starting to develop here down across the Texas area and then up into Oklahoma. As those move east, they're going to be coming into a more favorable atmosphere for development here. And again, those could produce tornadoes. Here we go. Forecast models. Low pressure system centering over northern Arkansas by later on. Storms breaking out across Oklahoma, Arkansas, even across the Tennessee Valley here, as we've seen here on radar. Going on over dew points. As far as dew points go, very warm. You can see there's almost just a line over northern Arkansas where that warm front is. The dew points are going to surge up there, and you're going to see nice very nice 60-degree dew points, mid 60-degree dew points in some places down south here. And so very, very warm air, very, very moist air surging in from the south off the Gulf here. And so that's going to give us plenty of moisture for thunderstorms to form. The 500 millibar charts, low pressure system. Your 500 trough here, you can see dipping in here, starting to go partially negative tilt here, and that's going to allow for some lift and some good flow to move in here across that area, and that's going to really help initiate some storms and really get those storms going, and to keep them going because of the lift it's going to create in the atmosphere. As far as instability, Cape convective available potential energy here, you can see getting up to 750 joules across Arkansas, and then back out across northeast Texas here. We're talking maybe up to 1,000, maybe even about 1,250 joules in some cases out there. And that's going to move east here and spread instability in. As far as EHI values here, the Energy Helicity Index is going to be decent across the I think the Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Stuttgart area. In fact, I think today if I was targeting a place, Stuttgart would probably be the place I'd be looking at. My concern is maybe it's a little far east, but I think the terrain is so much better. Chased down Pine Bluff last year and just not good terrain. So if you're going to chase, you might as well risk it east, and so we'll see what happens. If you're down there, you need to pay close attention to exactly what's going on, and again, we'll pull the tornado watch up for the last slide here, and you can see exactly where that's at. And anyways, that's what's going on right now. We're going to have another leading forecast on here in just a little bit, talking about the weekend setup as well, because I know some are interested in that. So anyways, that's what's going on right now. If you are down there across the risk area, spc.noaa.gov and weather.gov, two great places to go. You can see what's going on, watches and warnings, even discussions as far as severe weather, what's going to happen with that. Another thing, if you're wanting to see what's currently going on in the field, tornadovideos.net. go to their streaming page there, and you can see they'll have live streams up probably all day from several different people. So that's what's going on right now. Until next time, I'm Swift Lead Forecaster, and thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast.